Hey, what's up, my adventure family? Welcome back to the adventure. It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. For those new to the channel, don't forget, go down below, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to Miami. We are now in Miami. We just got done coming from Orlando and stuff like that. Orlando was okay. I mean, it was alright. It wasn't really too much to do over there. So hopefully Miami got a lot for us to do. So we're gonna go explore these last 2 days that we're down here for, and see what Miami has to bring. Cause Orlando was okay, like I said, but it wasn't the best. So Miami, come treat us good. We here today, and this is our view. We just got done checking into our hotel here, and this thing looks amazing. So, I mean, it's gonna be our little spot for the night. Well, for the 2 nights, we got a little kitchen, a little simple kitchen here, with a little safe box to, put that money away, so we won't be walking with them knots. But we here checking out the bathroom here. Nice little simple little bathroom, guys. And yeah, we're gonna freshen up, get ourselves situated, and see what the day brings. Go out there and explore, go wander around. It started raining once we got here, but the rain ain't gonna stop us from doing whatever we gotta do. So we're gonna go out there and go have a good time. So I'll see you in a few once we loosen up ourselves and freshen up, and I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. So guys, we all fresh now. You see that drip? Got that Ray254 gear. Go get yours. And we're heading out of the building now, and we're gonna go do a little bike riding around the area. We're supposed to rain like about 9 to 10 o'clock, so hopefully it doesn't. Because sometimes the news says it's gonna rain and it doesn't. But we're going down, and we're gonna go do a little bike riding around the area, see what this area has to bring. And we're getting in the elevators and going down. Just got out to the lobby here. Just making our way so we can get our bikes out the van. So we're here, just walking up to the navigator here. Just parked behind this Phantom Ghost SUV there. That's how we do things. Park up, front service, VIP. But let's take this bike out of here. Gotta take the chain out. And there it goes. Now we're gonna start removing these bikes. So guys, we just out the bikes, and we're about to go do some riding around. You excited? Let's go see what Miami has to bring, guys.
Let's see if it rains on us.
Hopefully it doesn't. But let's go. We brought some rain jackets, so if it does, we're gonna have to put the rain jackets on and just explore like that. Just going over here to like a little flatter level of the ground, see if we can jump on these bikes. We don't want to jump on them on a little hill there. So guys, we're on the bike now, and we are passing the hotel here. So we'll be staying there for the night, well, for the next 2 nights. Look at that old school Jeep right there. That thing is crazy. Be careful with this metal stuff. Just trying to find a way to get to the little beach section. This thing's crazy right here. But this is the way right here. We're gonna get into the little bike path / little pier walking type of thing here, and this is what we was overlooking at a hotel from above. So they got a little gym set area here to work out outside. Look, got outside workouts. We gotta go this way though. The beach is just down there, and we're just gonna be following this path here, see where it takes us to. You can see our hotel just back over there. That big hotel, that's where we staying at. Oh, somebody jamming over here. Oh, it's like a little, I guess, pool area. Yeah, it's a little pool area / bar up there. You can see the little beach house over there. That's where the lifeguards and stuff will actually chill at, watching over people. There's a couple like little colorful ones like that, supposedly throughout the beach. It feel good right now. Hopefully it doesn't rain though. I ain't trying to be soap. Guys coming up to a fence right here. And I don't know what's going on right here. It's a dead end from here on. Oh man, you drove all over here for dead end. It smells good though, I'll tell you that. Back at this hotel right here, I guess they got like a restaurant or something. Hey, look at all the coconuts on that one. You can see all the coconuts. See it? Those are down over there in the middle. On top, you see how they brown? Look at these on top of us. I think that's like coconuts, right? It looked like coconuts. I could be wrong, but it looked like a coconut to me. Just turning back here. And seeing what else. How we can get around this thing here. Gotta be a way to get out from somewhere up here. So guys, there's not a way here, but we making our way out of here. We ain't getting stuck on that little boardwalk. Ah, the sand is real thick here. I'm trying to I made it. I wasn't trying to put my foot down on that thing because I would have been real sandy, my foot. But we made it over here to like this parking lot here. And we're gonna try and find our way around this thing here, around these hotels. Just coming back up here to the main road where we was at before we went onto that little pier. We're gonna turn up here to the left, continue and following this sidewalk here, see what else this thing takes us to, because I don't know where the hell I'm at. I'm just exploring, seeing when we run into things, and seeing what we see out here down in Miami. Yo, they got that little wannabe Nevada out here with the 7 magical mountains. They got one of them out here with the color stones on top of each other. You guys remember us going to the 7 magic mountains? I mean, I got a video up on my YouTube. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. But they try to do the same thing here. We're gonna go check that out. So let's go over there, get a little closer so I can show you that. And we're just getting closer to this stones here. This thing is crazy. It kind of reminds you of Nevada, right? Are we back in the deserts? You think they did it first here or in Nevada? What do you think was the first one? The 7 magic mountains or this one? This don't even got no information about this on some real. I don't see nothing. Oh yes it does, it got something over here. They got like a little plaque. Ugh. Let's see if it talks about it or anything. I'm not too sure if they're the same people that made this thing here, but here goes some information. And this was made in 2016.
It's undefined once you know where you are. Why can't you hide away? The sun is dark. The sun is dark. The sun is Why can't you hide away? The sun is dark. sunny side.
So just heading back over here. We actually gonna pass by the steps, the famous steps here for Scarface the movie. Here goes a little plaque. Little plaque about the steps right on the side of us here. And these are the famous steps here from the movie here. And this thing just look messy. It looks like somebody's party spot instead of the famous steps. Head back out of here, continue on, and finish making our way up here, see what else to eat up here. Guys, we decided to rest for a little bit, get a nice little meal. So we're here at this little jalapeno Mexican kitchen, and the food looked delicious, so we're gonna try them out and see what it's like. Food came out, we about to dig in. That thing's looking yummy yummy. Got the drinks out, got the food out. And we about to see y'all in a few once we finish eating all this stuff up. And the food got turned up. We gotta drink these drinks before we continue on with our little bike ride. Got the bikes right here just chilling right on the side of us. Just enjoying the outdoors, eating up, relaxing. Right down South Beach. So guys, we just got done eating and we back on the bikes. And damn, I'm filled up. Hopefully we don't get a DUI because we had a little couple drinks. And we feeling it. But we out here just enjoying the South Beach. About to run people over.
I got a boyfriend.
He's trying to spit his game. He's like, I got a boyfriend. I'm on vacation, my boyfriend at home.
Thank you.
At least she's loyal. A lot of girls don't be that loyal. They just go for the happiness at the moment. But we out here at South Beach enjoying it. You can see the thing starting to get a little bit more crowded there as it gets darker. Guys, made it back. It started pouring raining on us, but we're back at the hotel. And we barely could see anything out there. It's pitch black out there, but we're gonna call it a night from here. Hope you guys still enjoyed it. We didn't really do too much, just drive around and ate a little food around the area and stuff like that. Went all the way down to South Beach, but tomorrow we're gonna explore a little bit more, so make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Make sure you guys turn on the notification bell, but we're gonna end it from here. I'm super exhausted from just doing that little bike ride and all that stuff, took my energy, but I'll see you guys tomorrow on tomorrow's video. So peace guys, and I'll see you on the next adventures.